What is going on, my YouTube fans? Just to let you know, I ain't forgot about you. It's just been a little too cold to do some riding, but I did get a new toy. It's a Honda ATC. I want to say a 200. It's pretty big. Still got the other trike. Got the quad. Still got my bike, of course. It's been real busy, and plus it's been too cold to do anything. It's not bad. Also, here in a couple months or so, I have another bike coming to the channel. I'm going to try to fire this thing up for you guys. You guys will see this in some videos. Love my trikes. Still got the Suzuki LT 185. Then the Honda I just got last week. Like I said, I got another bike coming to the channel. Still got my 250, my YZ. She ain't going nowhere. But let's see if this thing will fire up. Fire, boys. Oh, there she is. Cold-blooded. Definitely cold-blooded machine. Oh, yeah. She fires and runs. But I ain't forgot about you guys. It's just been too wet, nasty, and cold out to really put any content. But as soon as it starts warming up some, the videos are back on. Peace out.